Welcome everyone. So I'm Yu from Department of Electronics Engineering in Faculty of Engineering and Green Technology. I'm going to introduce to you this new program called Bachelor of Technology Honors in Electronics System. This program is offered by Faculty of Engineering and Green Technology, where the campus is located in Kampar, Perak. So in this new program, there is a very special features we call 2U1I, where 2U is 2 years in university and 1I is 1 year in industry. In this program is a work-based learning program where some of the modules will be taught by experienced engineer in the industry and co-assessed by both lecturer in university and engineer in the industry. So the salient features of this program is a work-based learning environment where you will have the chance to take the module and courses in the industry and taught by the experienced engineer. So you will have this early adaptation to working life and also in-depth technical and hands-on knowledge in 3 years. So when you graduate, you will have vast job opportunities as you already start working in the industry. So, and in this program is also keeping abreast with the cutting edge technology as you will be partly trained by the experienced engineer in the industry. Currently, we have 2 work-based learning industry partners. One is Witron, where this is a Malaysia company which is listed in Bursa, Malaysia, and is located in Batu Kawan, Penang. And another company is Infineon Technology, where this is a German company which manufacture IC and is an international company, and this company is located in Bulim, Kedah. So Witron is an automated vision inspection solutions provider, and they have business worldwide, and you will have the chance to learn about this technology, and in the future when you work there, you might have the chance to work overseas. And Infineon Technology is located in Bulim High Tech Park, Kedah, and is a very huge company where they have 1,005 staff, and they recently had built a very big fabrication plant in Bulim, Kedah. So this is the introductions of the program, and this program is only a 3-year program. So where this is a Bachelor of Technology degree, the fees is 47,450 ringgit Malaysia for Malaysian and 63,250 ringgit Malaysia for international students. So this program is MQA approved or accredited, and also accredited by professional body and board, which is Malaysia Board of Technologies. So this is some brief introductions of the program structure of this program. So in the first year, you will be learning the fundamental and basic knowledge of electronics, where you have these digital fundamentals, electrical technology, and electronics technology. And in second year, you will select 2 elective subjects where you are going to learn in the industry, and also some more advanced subjects such as electromagnetics, electronic circuit, and so on. And in the final year, you will undergo industrial training at the same company where you had taken the modules, and you will do a final year projects and some other courses. So electronics industry is such an important sector in Malaysia, as the world is moving towards digitization, smart cities, and so on, where electronics components and devices is important and crucial in all these development. So the electrical and electronics sector has become the key driving force behind all these digital revolutions. The E&E market is estimated to be about 3,000 billion in 2020, and it will grow 700 more billion in 3 years' time. So in Malaysia, the sector has contributed about 81 million to Malaysia's GDP in 2019. So if you look at this chart, this is the export of Malaysia in 2019. As you can see that 1/3 of Malaysia export is actually contributed by electronics and electrical products. So it makes up of largest export of Malaysia in 2019. And in terms of investment, new investment in Malaysia in 2019, you can see that 37% of the new investment in Malaysia is actually invested in electrical and in electronics industry. Okay, so in 2019, a total of 207 billions of approved investment, okay, had happened in Malaysia, and this is about 1.7% of increase compared to 2018. So this is a very fast growing sectors, and definitely will need lots of electronics talent in the future. And you can see here, this is the employment in E&E sectors in Malaysia. There is a very steady growth of employment. All right, so and in 2019, a total of 575,000 of employees is actually related to E&E sector. And you can see the evolutions of E&E sector in Malaysia. So in 1970s, Malaysia is actually involved in labor-intensive, low technology products and low value-added electronics production. As time moves, all right, so in 2020, so Malaysia needs more talents which can design IC with R&D engineer and so on, as the industry had changed towards more knowledge-based industry. And this program is actually recognized by this professional body, which is Malaysia Boards of Technologies. Once you graduated from this program, you can register as a graduate technologist, and with working experience for a few years, you can register to become the professional technologist, where you can carry the title TS. So what is the career prospects of after this studying in this program? So you can work as various kind of engineers, and also you can work as a software engineers other than the hardware engineer, and so on. So what type of company and industry you can work in? So you can work in a semiconductor companies, IC manufacturer company, automated machine vision inspection system provider, software development company, embedded system developers, and so on. Let me introduce to you the facility of our department. First, BISI Design Laboratory, you will have the chance to learn about the software that used in the industry for IC design. So next, this is VTROX Innovation Laboratory, which is sponsored by VTROX. VTROX is a company which is specialized in machine inspections and automations. In this lab, we will have this robot arm, and you will have experience to use it. And Infineon Power Technology Laboratory is sponsored by Infineon Technology, which is one of the largest IC manufacturing company internationally. And in microprocessors and microcontroller laboratory, you will have the chance to learn about embedded system, where you can use a microcontroller to control your hardware. And PCB laboratory. So in PCB laboratory, you will have the chance to fabricate a PCB yourself, so where you can make electronics devices yourself. for your final year project and other mini projects. So this is the process where students can make their own PCB. We have a complete fabrications, equipment and devices. And finally, this is a power and control laboratory where students will have the chance to learn about electrical machines and also control systems. And you also can find the contact of our head of department, IR Dr. Tae Chung. So where the email is as shown in this video. And for other inquiry, you can always contact our Department of Program Promotions. So where the email is enquiry@utah.edu.my.